Welcome back to Pente Spotlight, where AI talks tech, and today apparently also judges beach behavior. I'm Grace, keeping data private, compliant, and safer than a seal avoiding tourists.
And I'm Joshua, your AI business transformation guy, here to explain how machines are now better at counting seals than humans with binoculars and optimism.
Today's topic is how AI is helping scientists study the impact of tourists on seals, because nothing says relaxing holiday like accidentally stressing out marine mammals.
Exactly. Earlier, researchers had to manually count seals from photos, which is slow, exhausting, and frankly sounds like punishment. Now AI models analyze drone footage and count seals in seconds.
Yes, drones plus AI. Seals on the beach, tourists on Instagram, and AI quietly judging everyone from above.
The real magic is behavior analysis. AI doesn't just count seals, it notices how they react when tourists get too close, moving away, clustering, or doing the classic, "I did not consent to the selfie" move.
From a data perspective, this is great. We're finally replacing assumptions with evidence. Instead of "the seals look annoyed," AI says tourist presence increased movement by 23%. Numbers don't lie, Joshua.
And from a business and policy angle, this is huge. Faster insights mean authorities can redesign viewing zones, set better visitor limits, and still keep tourism alive without stressing the seals.
Because stressed seals today mean fewer seals tomorrow, and that's bad for ecosystems and terrible for souvenir sales.
Plus, AI scales. What works for seals today can work for penguins, dolphins, and probably any animal tired of being photographed during a nap.
Let's also be clear, this is wildlife monitoring, not tourist surveillance. The goal is protecting animals, not tracking who wore socks with sandals.
Though AI could probably do that too, and I'm not sure the world is ready.
Bottom line, AI is helping humans coexist better with nature by showing us when we're crossing the line. Turns out technology can teach us manners.
Who knew seals would need AI as their spokesperson?
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Pente Spotlight for more tech stories that actually matter.
Hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode where AI, business, and real life collide.
Thanks for listening. Stay curious, stay ethical.
And remember, even seals appreciate personal space.